This is another unboxing of a smart sound machine. This time it's a shell-type design. So I purchased this through AliExpress online shopping app, and I bought this on a discounted price. Or if you may saw this advertised on other online shopping app, then watch this video so you may have an idea about this product. This video is about unboxing, and I will do a test with those buttons. And on the last part of the video, I will be checking the battery capacity of this device. Thumbs up to the seller. They wrapped this on a bubble type wrapper, which it is great. The device is securely safe. And by the way, this Conch Music lamp support an app, which has more features you can explore. Inside the box is the device itself, the manual with English and Chinese language. Make sure to read the manual instructions first. And you notice the QR code. Later I will be showing the application functions and features. But make it sure that you will use extra phone, just for security purposes only. I just feel we're no longer secured in this online world. Well, having extra phone to connect any of your devices is secured, and that's good also for storage of your main phone. Correct me if I am wrong. Then you will have a Type-C USB cable. Well, that is great. Plugging in a low-light situation is no longer a problem. And of course the device Conch Music lamp. Well, I'm just confused about the Conch name, so I Google, but sorry to correct, this wasn't a Conch type. And the Google result is this, the exact Conch. So all buttons are placed on top, and the charging port is on the bottom, and the speaker was placed on the top, which is visibly noticeable without any cover. Well, for me, the design is simple and clean. Any direction you want to put this device is manageable. As you can see, this device is inspired by a shell design. On the first usage, the device must be fully charged first before using. Then I've noticed one major problem. The light indicator for charging is not working. There is no indication that the battery is fully charged. The only thing I can do is to check the length of time when charging. So what do you think about this device? Does the design look appealing? Let me know your thoughts. To start with, let's check this light button. Manually, you have 7 choices of light modes and with warm lights. By doing short press, you can change the light color. And if you do long press, you're turning off the lights, but clock still working, even Bluetooth music still working. Well, that is good features. Sometimes we don't want the lights always on. And having lights on always consume the battery fast. Next is this button for music rhythm effects and light adjustment. By doing long press, you're selecting music rhythm effects. And if you do short press, you are adjusting the brightness of the light. And then this M button for Bluetooth and white noise. Short press means you're selecting Bluetooth mode. Press again, you are selecting white noise. You have 8 choices. To select, press next or previous button to choose the desired sound. White noise has many benefits. Listening to it can help you concentrate while working and studying and help you fall asleep. It is also widely used by parents to calm their babies, and it can also help you if you have ADHD, if you have learning difficulties, or if you suffer from tinnitus. Then if you want to set a timer for white noise, press and hold this clock button till it changes to 60 or 30 minutes playtime. This feature allows this turn off automatically if you fall asleep. So for music button, you have only next or previous buttons, and serves also as volume key. Just to remind that this Conch music lamp can be played only through Bluetooth. Do long press either increase or decrease the volume, and do short press to select next or previous song. Sounds is okay, but I don't advise to do a maximum volume as the sounds like it cracks. So this is the application. In the manual or even the box, you will see a QR code. Scan that because you cannot download the app from the Google Play or Apple Store. That's why I told earlier that you need to download this app on the other phone you have, because it notifies this app cannot be securely downloaded, as this is not registered to Google Play or Apple Store. So this is the application named Music Light. Once you open it, you need to press the search device and connect the Conch music lamp. Once you open the app, you have 5 buttons down. You have color, light effects, wake up, sleep, and music. Then if you press this button on the top, you can turn off the light only. For the color button, you can set your desired color light you want. Then you can adjust the brightness as well. And for light effects button, you will have 256 light effects choices. You can also adjust the brightness as well as the speed of the effects. Then the wake up button. This applies the sunrise effect through alarm time setup. Choose the best for you. And then the good thing, you have 4 choices of sound effects. I'm just disappointed that the sunrise effects didn't work well. Then the sleep button is the same thing, if you wanted to set every time you are going to bed. But this time, you can set the music sound as long as you want. Manually, you can set only 60 to 30 minutes duration. Then choose your desired sound effects. And this music button, basically this serves as a microphone, so whatever sounds the phone catches, it will be transferred to the device. At the same time, adding music rhythm effects is great. So how to set the time manually? Basically, the time will automatically adjust if it is connected to your phone. But if you want to set the time manually, here's how to do it. Short press the clock button, and then to adjust the hour and minutes, press the next and previous button, then press again the clock button to confirm. To change the time format, do a long press, the clock button. Press any button first, then do long press with the clock button to appear the AM or PM sign. You can set the alarm through application or manually, and here's how to do it manually. Short press the alarm button, and you will notice it is blinking. Adjust the time and minutes, press the next or previous button. Then press again the alarm clock button to confirm, and you will notice the alarm logo is present. Then press any button to turn off the alarm.
Battery low.
So now it's charging time.
Power off.
So I will be testing now how much the capacity of the battery has. So the input voltage is 5 volts and 2 ampere. The LED output is 6 watts, and the sound machine power is 5 watts. The material used is ABS plus PC. This weight 530 grams. In the manual it says the battery capacity has 2000 milliampere hours. Just a reminder, if you see that my reading test is wrong, you may comment down below. Your comment is highly appreciated. Well, for me, this device is worth it to buy. The quality of the product is great, sound test is okay, the light effects for me is superb. The flow of the light follows the design, I really like it. For usage enough to work for 7 hours, battery endurance is great. Only one thing I don't like my device, the light indicator doesn't work. Hopefully if you purchase this kind of device, yours will function. So, after 2 hours of charging, the battery reading test is 1910 milliampere hour capacity. Isn't it perfect? What is written in the manual is exactly in the device. Still no light indicator working, even if it is full. So what I will now do is to charge it for 2 hours every time the battery gets drained. And that's all. If you find my video useful, please do like and subscribe as well. Your feedback is very much welcome. Thanks for watching.
Power off.